Well, for me, it all comes to concepts, time and optimization. Having an assistant to our work free us, saves up a lot of time.
Hi, in this video, we'll be able to listen to some of the guests which we invite to our weekly Mr. Metaverse discussion. What are the main advantages in your opinion?
Well, for me, it all comes to concepts, time and optimization. Time because having an assistant to our work free us, saves up a lot of time. And optimization because it optimizes many of the processes involved in the workflow of an architect. And between these two concepts, time for me is the most important because very common to any architect in the world. Architects very often suffer of lack of time. We always have something that we have to deliver yesterday. Optimizing time for me is a very relevant aspect of AI in architecture.
I think not a single person in this world doesn't suffer from lack of time. And I'm curious about the use case. What kind of AI tools you use in your workflow?
I'm using 3 tools. One of them is Leonardo AI, which is specifically for creating floor plans. I find it very interesting. It helps me to get concepts from my mind. Another tool which I find it very fun is Comp, and you can get a render from a sketch. You draw interface, you draw a sketch, you provide an input, you can get the render from that input with the sketch you made in the interface. And especially I'm working with architectures.
You're still watching? I guess then you'll like it. Consider subscribing to stay up to date on the topics related to immersive technologies, digital twins, AI and Metaverse platform. You can expect the videos like the one you're now listening to be published every single week, so don't miss out. Subscribe. It takes just a second. Smash this button. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Just from this Spanish startup, and it's something very powerful that I'm working right now for this purposes of teaching and exploring the possibilities of generating massive buildings in a matter of seconds.
A couple of days ago, I spoke with a founder of AI or a 3D company who had spoken to the scientist at NVIDIA who was part of the team developing their nerve, the auto generation tool. So, the question was that, are my design jobs going away? So the scientist's response was that they are not anytime soon. People need to realize is that AI can be a very good enabler. Instead of fearing it, this is like the NOS. All of us must have seen the Fast and Furious movies. NOS, which helps your car propel at a faster speed. The only thing that you need to do is how to control the car so that you don't crash. I see that that's where people need to spend time and knowledge in and learning about AI and how it can actually enable, irrespective of who you are. You are a designer, company owner, developer, and anybody.
Thank you to watching to the end. If you like more exclusive content, you like the memes, or you'd like to learn through the text, consider subscribing to our newsletter. Links in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and probably you might like this video.